Stop Gogoi. Yes, this is that
BIS matter. My lord.
BSI matter. Can you send an information for Mr. Gogoi?
Sure, sure, my lord.
Huh?
Sure.
There are another
Of
two
course,
matters. Let me take that, and just I wanted some clarification from Mr. Gogoi.
My lord. My colleague will inform.
Yes, yes.
Gogoi.
Yes. It is not. Which is the provision of the BSI Standards Act that is involved in this matter? Are you aware?
My lord, may just give me 2 minutes. I'll just get the file.
No
my lord.
problem.
And
We'll
Dr.
wait
Saraf
for-
is also here, my lord.
Huh?
My senior is also here.
Dr. Saraf is in court.
Yes, my lord.
It's all right, Mr. Counsel.
My senior is on legs. Kindly allow me to call him.
Who's your senior?
K. Gogoi, Lordship.
He's on legs.
Lordship. Kindly allow me to call.
Is Dr. Saraf in the court?
He's on his way, lord.
All right. The division bench, Dr. Saraf, rose earlier than expected.
My lord.
I had taken the file, I had read it. For some reason, the act was not available, and by mistake, it wasn't sent. Now, which is the sections which are involved from the act? Can you just take me through that? The main section.
sections আমার নোটিং দিয়েছে
Because otherwise, you see, Dr. Saraf, at the end of the day, it's a policy decision. The ambit of this court under 226 is limited. Certainly, if this court finds there is injustice,
And
this
my
court will
submission-
reach out there.
my submission only there, not the policy decision. I fully agree, my lord. But if the policy decision is not in conformity with the provisions of the act, and the policy decision is which is shown to be collective exercise of powers, because the purpose for which it was done, it is at the instance of you will also find from the letters and all those things. Then, my lord, I've given all the judgments also that, this is Bureau of Indian Standard. First, I was looking at the statement of objection regions, then section 9.2,
Section 9.2.
within bracket 2, section 25,
1 second. 9.2. Yes.
section 25,
Section 25.
and section 12 to 17.
Section
12 to 17,
12.
my lord.
12 is prohibition of use of certain names. Section 12.
12 to 17 it is mentioned, my lord.
Mr. Gogoi, I'm trying to understand which are the relevant sections of the act that is involved in this case. You may also assist. That is one clarification. Second, if I recollect, you had referred to 2 affidavits. I have got your additional affidavit. Apart of the additional affidavit, you had relied on another affidavit, correct? Which is that I just wanted to. Just put a star. Dr. Saraf, can you ask one of your junior
My lord.
to give me the citation of Balco? I think it's of 2000.
Citation of my lord.
Balco.
Balco.
Yes.
My lord.
Balco, if I remember, is on policy decision.
My lord.
I think it was a PIL, but
I also referred the policy decisions.
yes, I have seen. I have
My
seen all that.
I
I have
will give
read
the-
your compilation.
My Balco also. my lord.
I just want Balco, and you have not given me a decision on intervening the right of an intervener. To what extent he shall
That I will give, my lord.
one decision?
One
just
decision.
just give that.
Certainly, my lord.
Because your one of your argument is also that he does not the intervener as such doesn't have a right, and
He has a right to either support or that is Supreme Court decision. My lord.
that you just
I will give the judgment. My lord, if you also permit me, my lord, tomorrow, my lord, I give the list of sections which are.
very well.
If you
Very
also
well.
will not delivering the judgment here, then I will give the list of the sections.
Shall I
And-
keep it for tomorrow, the matter then?
Well, you lost my reserve, but I will tomorrow give the copy.
But please give it tomorrow because the week next I am supposed to be traveling, so
Well, certainly I will give
it would be easy for me to
I have to give the Balco decision, intervener, and the
Yes.
relevant sections.
relevant sections that I
My-
involve.
my lord. Rest, my lord, you also wanted on the last occasion from the meetings, the latest minutes that I have incorporated.
That I have
everything.
seen. Your
I-
compilation is very helpful.
I have incorporated, and I have also given serially, my lord, the
Yes,
letters
yes.
also. So I think decisions and the judgments, two judgments, and the relevant sections, my lord, I will prepare the chart and give it to you. Also. Because policy decision normally, my lord, I never say that policy, but when the policy decision is either contrary to the provisions of the act, because there are in the section 1625, we also find there are certain provisions that under which situations the central government can direct. Now, none of the situations,
That you have referred.
well,
in
that's
your
why.
notes.
And from the letters and corresponding meetings, it will also find that it was only at the instance of the intervener, and that too because they are saying that our production has gone down, the sale has gone down, so it should be implemented. And that was the earlier also it was done. And I've given a chart also that these statements are also wrong, and it is only to pressurize the persons to purchase the goods from them at the higher prices.
Otherwise, the association was there at the time these meetings were,
The
of which you are a
representations-
member.
Representations were submitted objecting to it.
Lordship, in a very fast affidavit, Lordship, 347, Lordship. 347 running page. This one, Lordship.
This is
One, and again, Lordship,
in
490.
this affidavit. You are relying on which paragraph? You are relying
Lordship,
the entire
all-
affidavit.
Lordship. And then, Lordship, page 490, Lordship, additional affidavit.
That
is
I
there.
got.
Lordship.
That I think I have
Page
already
490,
marked. Yes.
Lordship.
Because you, if I recollect, you said this is your whole case.
Lordship.
The two affidavits, correct?
Lordship.
Now, this apart, these green volumes are all pleadings. Those are any relevance? Because otherwise, I think, Dr. Zanab, you put your case candidly in this blue compilation that you have given.
Two comparisons.
For you, these two
Yes, yes,
affidavits,
lots
and intervener has also given a
Lordship,
written
one compilation.
compilation.
Even Lordship, another respondent also given a
Yes, yes, I have seen it.
Lordship.
They're all there.
The Balco decision, Mr. Lawson, correct, Lord, that said that it can be interfered with,
Yes,
but in case it is unfair and
correct,
unreasonable,
correct.
my lord.
So I remember
Yes,
some parameters were there. I was trying to find it. I think it's of 2000, if I'm not wrong.
Here I don't remember, but I remember
2000 or
that
2002.
something on that score that when the policy decision can be interfered with.
Yes, yes.
I will find out.
So please, you can give it to the
Yes,
master.
Lord. I will give the Balco decision intervener.
So then
and
I'm closing it.
My lord, my lord.
Hearing concluded, reserved for judgment.
Tomorrow I will provide. Lord.
Etu kali dialogue karke di dibo. Ekhon dialogue kare.
This was pending for number of years,
Yes.
my lord. It was going here and there.
No, I separated the entire file and I took this
Because
much.
unnecessary pleadings are there, my lord. Now it is summarized to 2 volumes.
Yes.
The rest pleadings can be kept it because whatever pleadings are there, we have incorporated.
Correct. I've read your compilation.
My lord. I'm highly obliged.
All right.
I think, my lord, one more judgment is pending, I think, Competition Commission.
It's almost ready.
My lord.
Most likely you will get it by Thursday or Friday.
That will be the first judgment I'm highly obliged.
এলো কোনোবাই খবৰ লৈছিলে নেকি কোনটো কিন্তু এতিয়াতো নাই কি কৰিম কাম কৰা এতিয়া অলৰেডি নিদিম তেওঁ যদি আকৌ খবৰ কৰে তেতিয়া আমি ডেট এটা দি দিম যেতিয়া তুমি দেখাই দিবা যে টিকেট প্ৰিপেয়াৰ লিষ্টেড ফৰ এডমিশ্যন আগতে এডমিশ্যনত আহিছিলে নেকি এডমিশ্যন কৰা হিয়াৰিঙৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট এপ্ৰিল হিয়াৰিঙৰ ফিক্স কৰি দিবা ঠিক আছে যদি তেওঁ আহে আৰু যদি নাহে তেতিয়া we will dismiss it for non বুজি পালা None appears for the appellant on call. It appears that on the last occasion, two occasions, i. 19/8/2024 and 19/10/22, there was also no representation on behalf of the appellant. Stop. In fact, the matter was listed today with the remark for dismissal. Stop. However, there is no